Hello? Hi? Hello? Okay na po. Okay na po ito. Thank you. Okay na, ano? Sean? Okay. Shen? Game. I'll start in 1, 2, 3. Hello guys. So, we don't have a band name. This song is entitled Buti Pa Si Ano. This is part of the album Pinoy Classics. It tackles more on toxic Filipino culture, mindset, and tradition. So, Buti Pa Si Ano is about comparing your children, your cousins, your nephews to other people. But without understanding the concept na iba-iba naman talaga tayo as part of human civilization. Human civilization.
As animals.
Oh, iba tayo ng track in life. We have different paths, and we just have to take our time, our own pace. Yun. And we have to learn how to clap for other people kapag time nilang, pag sila yung nagpa-prosper. Because your time will come. No, yun lang. Next, other song pa po pala yung yung sa Jealousy. Check. Olivia Rodrigo. So together with me is Sharish. And Sean, the drummer, Sharish, the bass, and me. Naghahanap pa kami nung keys. Baka naman. Okay. 1. Sean, 1, 2, 3, and... Sabihin ng iba, malayang lilipad sa buwan, mangangarap na kung hanggang saan ang kaya kong mapatpat. Dahil hinihintay ako ng mundo sa aking paglipad. Asawa na mayaman, may Barbie na bahay.
Halata.
Halata eh. Ulit pa tayo?
Sige, isa pa.
Ulit tayo, isa pa.
Mas maganda kasi yung sa one, I think, consistent.
Sige, ulitin natin. Wala naman kami yan. 1 hour naman itong recording. Practice mo. May tumatawag sa'yo siya. Si Shane. Ang girlfriend.
Oo. Wait, nag-record lang. Saglit. Kasama ko sila sa...
Si Shane ba yan? Hi, Shane! Hello! Kasama namin sila. Si Sean.
Sean.
Girlfriend ni...
Hindi ako makapag-update agad kasi wala akong signal eh. Lobe ako. Sila sa smart eh. Sige. Kala ka mamaya. Bye.
Yes, ano all? Wala I love you?
Love you.
What?
Panguso. Bako na.
Okay na?
Yun na.
Alright. Di ka ba aware, Sean, na may girlfriend si Sheresh? Gulat ata si Sean. Gulat yung...
Hindi after.
Hindi ka aware. Hindi siya aware.
Okay lang eh.
Okay lang kasi yung girl...
Nonchalant.
Nonchalant. Buti okay na kayo, She.
Oo. Sakto lang.
Alright. Ay, sorry. Hey guys! So, this song is entitled Buti pa si ano? Together with me is Sharish, our bass. And then, this is our drummer, Sean. Yan. And this song is part of the album Pinoy Classics because it tackles more on the toxic Filipino culture, tradition, mindset. And Buti pa si ano is a story for all of the Filipino kids, Pinoy kids, na kinukumpara ng mga parents nila or ng relatives nila to other people. Not knowing na we all have different phases in life, different paths, diba? So, yeah. I guess that sums it up, shit. We all have our own time. Yun lang yun. You have your own time. So, trust the process. That's the journey itself. That's the end game eh, yung journey. Yun. Fall in love with the journey. Saan ang galing yun? Okay, go. Sean. 1, 2, 3. siya'y pinabayaan. Yung isa kong pinsan humantong sa hiwalayan. Yung asawa na mayaman, may ibang binabahayan.
Nice.
Ganda?
Oo.
Ginamit ko yung every brain. Hindi pa ganda talaga.
Okay na? Sige, try natin. Check, check.
Clinic po ulit.
Use! Ako, Sharish.
Ano yun? Sorry.